Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want to keep your Canva animations in PowerPoint? I'll show you exactly how it's done. Click Create, then select Presentation for this demo. Next, go to Elements and type Men to search. Finally, choose an image to add to your presentation. Let's add an image and search for a mountain background to use. That's the image background with our anime character displayed on it. Add Steve's speech bubble to the timeline at the desired position. You can resize it to be smaller. Add a text or a subheading here. Increase the text size to fit it within the speech bubble. Next, drag the item to the desired location to reposition it. Change the text font by selecting it, then choose a new font like Comic Sans from the font drop-down menu. That's right, it's fun. Next, add elements like clouds, then duplicate them as needed to enhance your design. This option lets you add animation to your project. We'll use Rice to create this anime character. Add the typewriter effect to this text now. You can also add transitions within this cloud area. Add a clicker to finish your presentation and animation. When ready, click Share, then select Download to save your work. Save the file as .select PPTX, then click Download to save it to your device. Now you know how to export your Canva designs to PowerPoint with animations like, and subscribe for more quick tips.